Use the Find My Cursor and Shortcut Wheel features for the HP 705 rechargeable wireless mouse. To use these new features, open HP Accessory Center. Select the mouse from the left-hand menu. To use the Find My Cursor function, select a button assignment dropdown. Scroll to and select Find My Cursor. Now when that button is pressed, the cursor will illuminate with a hue around it so that you can easily locate it. To use the Shortcut Wheel feature, select a button assignment dropdown. Scroll to and select Shortcut Wheel. Now when that button is pressed, the shortcut wheel appears. Select an app icon to open the shortcut. To select the apps that you want to appear on the shortcut wheel, select the Shortcut Wheel tab at the top of HP Accessory Center. Under Shortcut Wheel Settings, select the plus icon to assign a new app to the wheel. Then select an app from the Recommended Apps section or select Browse to find your app. You can also add commands to the shortcut wheel. With a shortcut wheel app selected, click the drop-down menu next to the command number. For example, you can select Find My Cursor as a shortcut wheel command. Now when you open the shortcut wheel and select the command, you can use the assigned function. To add more commands, select Add a new command and a second number with a drop-down menu appears. Select your command from the drop-down. You can also select more to view all available commands. Under the Commands tab, you can view all available command options. Under the Recent tab, you can view all recently used commands. Under the Keystroke tab, you can create a key sequence and add it as a command. Under the Launcher tab, you can add a website to launch as a command. Once you have decided your command function, select Save. The new command appears as an available option. To remove a command, select the trash icon next to the drop-down menu. To reset all commands to their default, unassigned function, select Reset Commands. To remove an app from the shortcut wheel, hover the cursor over the app icon under Shortcut Wheel Settings and select the X symbol on the icon.